All right, let's say, for example, it's Cloud Master Technologies. So they want to figure out how to make their web page. So just go to your favorite AI, and there's thousands of them. Well, actually, no, there's about a half a dozen of them out there. And I was working with another class yesterday, teaching them how to use AI to make blog entries, because in this class they have to publish a blog entry every day. But creating a blog entry is content creation, which is pretty similar to this. So I'm not going to make a separate instruction sheet for you guys, but I am going to kick out the same instruction sheet I made for my other class on ways to formulate your prompt engineering to get this stuff. So let's go do that. How to create and publish a technical blog there. So here I talk to you about what some of the good agents are, and I talk about how to formulate your prompt. Prompt engineering is like 90% of it. So anyway, let's kick this out. So this worksheet right here is your guide for what you're going to see me doing here. What AI agents to go to and how to formulate your prompts. And in terms of actually making the website, I have a video right here. I will demonstrate it. But if you want to see it again later, it will be available in this video. Here we go.
So the purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to create a Google site. So the purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to create a Google site.
So you can refer to this video to see the steps of setting up a Google website. But it's not too hard. I'm going to show you right now. Watch here. Pay attention. So first of all, I'm going to go to sites.google.com. And I'm just going to create the website from there. Right, so sites.google.com. And now look here. I'm going to say blank site. And now I'm going to set up my AI search. So I probably want to have some sort of in my Google Space workspace, which I asked you to set up last week for the simulation. I probably want to have a Google Sheet so I can organize all my thinking and information about this. So I'm going to go and make that. So first of all, I'm going to go to I think I did set up a workspace for the simulation for me to up here. So drive.google.com. F24. Here we go. And new Google Docs. So my company, I'm just going to leave notes for myself here, is, what's my company name? AI Solutions Outsourcing. AI Solutions Outsourcing. So I'm going to go and start using some of my AI tools now. And I'm just going to use the simple ChatGPT. Sometimes the oldest and simplest is still the best. Why do I have two Dudley DevOps? That's strange. I made a custom ChatGPT called Harry Lime, who's my expert on business affairs and marketing and all that stuff. So we're going to ask Harry to help us out today. So we're going to say, for a class business simulation project, and I will give it the course outline so it has more context to what I'm talking about. And I'm also going to give it the details about my business simulation, that instruction sheet I gave you. So basically, when you're working with AI, the more level of detail you can give it, better result you'll get. All right, now I have to think carefully about how I want to say this. For a business class simulation project, my company will be, and for your case, you don't have to do this. You can just copy and paste it directly out of your instruction sheet where it says your company does this, that, and the other. You're going to have to circle around a couple of times to sort of keep digging more into it, digging more, till you get and you're going to have to maybe teach yourself what does this mean, or, what is enterprise, vertical scaling, whatever. But that's part of the learning, right? Part of this, the big part of the simulation is for you to learn these concepts. So I will set up a company for the business simulation. On the topic of AI solutions outsourcing. Our business deliverables will be custom builds and training of enterprise AI models. AI model hosting and deployment. Business integration services. Custom trained company models for the small and medium SME, small and medium enterprise segment. All right, so I'm telling it what I want to do. Our business deliverables will be, and now I'm going to ask it to generate the web page. So our first requirement, our first deliverable, our first business simulation deliverable is a website hosted on Google Sites to advertise our company's services What's it called when strategic service outsourcers, but it's bundling and something else. We'll be doing bundling and repackaging, I guess. We'll be doing bundling and repackaging of services to meet client contract needs. Simulation grading will be based on net profit at the end of the term. Will be based on scorecard performance and net profitability at the end of term. All right, let's see what my AI thinks of my work so far. Oh, they're even giving me some customer testimonials. Cool. Whoops, running out of power. All right, now let's actually make the web page. We've got about another 30 minutes, which should be how long it'll take. So, I'm just looking for, I don't think I set up. I was looking for my Google site, but I don't think I set it up yet. All right, I'll go here and do it. Right, so to make your Google site, you go to sites.google.com. And Up here, you can start a new site at the plus mark right there. And then name your company, right? So start by putting your name. And I think ChatGPT suggested, or I will ask it, recommend a high impact name for my company. Cognos AI Next Gen Prismatica Optima Mind. Oh, that looks kind of good. I'll go with that. So then you can put that up there in your title. And I suppose you need a good graphic as well. So I'll say generate a graphic to generate. Okay, not bad. Now let's get this over there. You could just download it if you want. I just right click and download. I'm just going to use my screen capturing tool here. So here, to replace this background image, I can go here to image. And you need a site name, so I'll use my company name for the site name. All of this is in the other video I uploaded if you want to watch that to get more ideas on what you can do here. Optima Mind AI. All right, now I need some description of my company's services. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT, provide or generate. Now this is what you're going to do. This is the main part you have to do. Get the services that you provide from the simulation instruction sheet. And then I'm going to say generate a detailed, expanded out description of the services we provide. Now look here, pay attention. I'm going to say now regenerate this content into HTML format. Now look here. Now I'm going to get my HTML. Copy. I'm going to go over to my Google Sites page. And I'll go here and say embed. And I'll paste my HTML code in there. URL is invalid. Real? Oh, no. I should have said embed. Next. So anyway, you can go and work on it and play with it and put more stuff there. But for right now, that's starting to get in the right direction you want it to be in. And then when you're finally ready to deploy it, and you can go back and edit it again later, but for right now you could do publish, and then make sure that it's world readable. So go to share with others so everybody in the world can view it. All right, good. And then once again, copy publish site link. And then if you go to another browser, you should be able to see it. All right, so get that. Whoops, that is not good because I should have set it up so everybody can see it without having to log in. Let's see what I did wrong there. Nothing is restricted. Everything is open to everybody to read. Anybody with the link can. All right, let's try again. So copy, publish site URL. Yeah. So I'll leave it to you. You can play around with it more, but that would at least, so next week I'm going to make one landing page for everybody. So every team, when you get it going, just email me your link, and I will put it up in one landing page for the course. And then in terms of your prices and so on, your finance model will work on that next week. But this is your instruction. So by next week, everybody have your page ready. And I will also kick out this. This will take about a half an hour or so to assemble this video, but when